Do you want to earn a free holiday just by sharing what you love? Well, the good news is that it's easier than what you probably think, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Meet Rachel. Rachel's a consultant who decided to try our C4C referral program after completing one of the ET Academy masterminds herself. She sent a personal message to 3 colleagues she thought might benefit from the program. One of them signed up within 5 days, and 2 weeks later, Rachel received her holiday voucher. No pushy sales, no pressure, just one thoughtful message that changed everything. And here's how you can refer like a pro. Step 1, choose someone who will truly benefit. Think of a friend, a colleague, or a client who's ready to grow. Step 2, share your experience. Not a pitch, but just tell them why the program helped you. Keep it real and relevant. Then in step 3, use the tools we provide by filling out the referral form and let our system guide both of you through the process. Step 4, follow up gently if it's needed. Sometimes people need a friendly reminder, not pressure, just care. And step 5, celebrate when they qualify. Both of you get rewarded with a holiday valued up to $1,000, as well as bonus perks if they enroll fast. And it's not about being a salesperson, it's about being a connector. So, are you ready to start referring like a pro? If so, then join our referral program today. Head down to the registration page via the link below in the notes and turn your next message into a life-changing reward.
So what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon so I can pop up in your feed occasionally with a great tip for your ultimate growth.